Hello children, welcome back to another interesting class, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is noun type. Children, we already know that everything around us has a name. Everything around us that we can see, touch or feel, everything that we can talk about or we can think about are nouns. So children, today we are going to discuss three main types of nouns where we will learn about the proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Children, let's see these examples first. Rohan lives in Delhi, and the second sentence is Delhi is a big city. So children, here the word Delhi is the name of a city. So here we have two words. First word is Delhi and second word is city. So children, we know that Delhi is a city. So here we are talking about the common and proper noun. So proper noun is Delhi while common noun is city. Why is it so? Because children, when we talk about some specific thing, we name it as proper noun. But when we talk about something in general, we call it common noun. So common noun basically refers to a class of entity. Like city. City is a class. There are so many cities and it can be any city. But when we name it, when we talk about some specific entity, then it is called proper noun because here we are talking about some specific thing, some specific person, place, animal, or it can be anything. Now, let's try to understand it here. Common nouns are the names given to person, animal, place, or thing which are of the same kind. So, this is basically a category or a class. Proper nouns are special names given to particular persons, animals, usually places or things. So these are the specific names of specific nouns. For example, here we have a list. These are all the common nouns and here we have their proper nouns. So towns and cities, it is a class because it can be any town, it can be any city, but when we talk about some specific city like Mathura, Chennai, then we call it proper noun. Similarly, countries fall under common noun because there are so many countries and it can be any country. But when we talk about some specific country and we name it like India, Japan, so these names fall under proper noun. Similarly, rivers is a common noun. Yamuna, Mahanadi are the proper nouns. Player is a common noun. Sania Nehwal, Sachin Tendulkar are proper nouns. Days and months is common noun and Sunday, April, these are the proper nouns because these are the specific names of a specific day and a specific month. Special days, it is a common noun, it can be any special day, but Environment Day, Independence Day, these are proper nouns because it can be any festival, but specific festivals like Holi, Deepavali, Christmas, Eid or any other specific festival falls under proper noun category. Books, it is a common noun because it is a class. There are so many books, but the Jungle Book and Gulliver's Travel, these are the proper nouns. Buildings is a common noun, but the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort are proper nouns. Let's try to understand the third type of noun, which is a collective nouns. So collective nouns is basically a collection. Means when there are so many things of the same count, we call it the collective noun. We call the group of those things a collective noun. For example, Rishi bought a bunch of banana. It means there are so many bananas, more than one. So we call it a bunch of bananas. Similarly, the next example says she has a bouquet of flowers. Third example says I saw a flock of sheep gazing in the valley. Fourth one says there are 11 players in the cricket team. So, when we talk about more than one things of a same kind, we call its group the collective noun. And it can be a group of people, animal, things, and so on. So children, today we learned 3 different kinds of nouns. These are common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. Common noun is a class of entity and proper noun is any specific entity. Whereas the collective noun is the collection or the group of entities. So that's it for today, children. We will see you in the next session. Till then, take care.